Chicago, has issued a tornado warning for north central Kankakee County in northeast Illinois until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bradley and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and small hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manteno around 8:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 314 and 324. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.